Crow Tavern. Weekly servings. Egg noodles stuffed with beef, veal and chicken, baked with meat sauce and cream sauce. Noodles stuffed with a blend of fresh beef and veal and prepared in famous meat sauce. Charcoal grilled kebabs served over penne noodles in tomato sauce with sun-dried tomato pesto. An egg noodle stuffed with ricotta cheese, baked in tomato sauce and Parmigiano cheese. Linguine seasoned cream sauce, fresh mushrooms and chicken livers. Egg noodles stuffed with beef, veal and chicken, baked with meat sauce and cream sauce. www.crowtavern.com. Necessity is the mother of invention.